I'm talking today to Praveen Sadalage, who is the Managing Director of Busy Internet in Ghana, and they have just launched the first carrier-neutral data center in West Africa. Praveen, tell us exactly what the data center is doing.
Hi Russell. We are happy to announce the launch of our data center in Ghana. First to say, because we are carrier neutral, we are the first commercial data center where we are not restricting it to our internal usage, but people can come in and use the facilities for their own consumption. So the idea is to basically bring in sites which are located for now outside the country, and they're spending excessive amounts on maintaining those sites. They could be brought back to Ghana, and these sites could be serving the Ghanaian market compared to you sitting outside the country and serving the Ghanaian market. So we are trying to address that particular issue by opening this data center.
And you're currently transitioning the clients that you had before you were a carrier neutral data center, and you've got about 10 of those. What types of clients are
these?
These
are basically consultancy companies, then we have NGOs, we have mobility companies who have been using our services. So we are basically shifting them as a first case to this newly developed data center, tier 2 data center, which has facilities of redundancy in power, in UPS. It has raised floor, precision cooling, and all that stuff. The idea is to provide these clients with a world-class facility where you could put your equipment into a data center, which is compared to the best in the world. We have facilities of redundancy in power, we have facilities of generators. We can guarantee you 99.5 nines of uptimes, and we have the necessary infrastructure to take care of all the requirements of these clients. Now the idea is to shift, in the first phase we shift our existing customers to the data center, and then we go to the market and we solicit clients. So that's how we are trying to.
The current data center is 100 square meters, and you were telling me that actually you've more or less sold through on 100 square meters. And when will the expansion happen?
Expansion, we are looking at filling this entire space by the end of this year, by end of 2011. And as we start nearing the end of this year, we will be expanding we'll go up to 500 square meters.
Okay.
And we are seeing a potential demand of up to 5,000 square meters in the entire market. And we target to have at least 30% of that market in the next 4 to 5 years. So that's our overall strategy as far as the data center business is concerned.
Obviously there are operators out there who are operating captive data centers.
Yes.
Amongst those, who do you think your competitors are?
The large operators like MTN and Vodafone have recently built their own data centers, which we understand is for their internal captive usage, and they could be potentially opening it for customers outside. And we are seeing them as competition, but there is a huge demand in the market, and we are confident of having our own share of the market, irrespective of they being on the market and new operators also coming on board. But we are very clear that we will be focusing on quality, we will be focusing on the services which we can give to our clients, and the clients what will come will appreciate this quality of service what they will be getting from our data center.
Okay, describe the strategies that you've used to combat the use of energy, because electricity prices have gone up 60-70%. What are you doing to keep those energy prices down?
Electricity has gone up in terms of usage, and in terms of price has gone up almost 60 to 70%, like you said, over the last 13 to 14 months, and we are seeing that as a huge cost burden. So to offset the high cost, what we have done is we have gone in for precision cooling, wherein it is called as cold aisle containment, where the cold air of the air conditioning is contained in the aisle, and the servers basically blow out the hot air, which is recirculated back into the system. By this we are able to save close to 30% of our energy requirements. We have also done reflective roofing, where the sun heat is not transferred into the building. That is saving us another 10% on our cooling energy. So we have taken these innovative ideas into the data center so that we save on cost and we give proper value to our customers.
Praveen, thank you very much for talking to me.
Thanks a lot, Rasik. Thanks a lot.